Hey, welcome to another day of Potential Power Sources series. We have covered so far various chapters. In earlier topic, we have talked about quantum physics. Okay, how it has evolved and has rescued the older classical physics as well. Why we were doing that, just to let your potential open up to understand that you can do anything and everything. We have just broken lot many myths which you were thinking at certain level through your brain and was not relating with the physics and science, and where the logic has got also broken up, and we have sometime identified that few things are logical but only mind does not let it play in a logical manner. Having said that, before we begin, I welcome you once again. And now this is time to tune into your inspiring song and listen to the inspiring song and set up the intention and tell to yourself that there is nothing impossible in this entire world what I cannot learn. If one can master anything in the entirety in this world, then I too can do that. I believe you have done that. Having said that, I once again welcome you, and let's begin. And let me ask you this question: how many people it would take you to let you believe that you can create your own magic? And remember, what I mean by magic is your world, because your world is the magic because you have created your own world, because you are just pulling them out from the universe every time, because your brain is in interaction with infinite intelligence, whether you know it or don't. I have talked about subconscious mind as well, how it is continuously getting the data from the past and experience and from the belief. Having said that, let me read out some amazing notes from the scientists, from the legends, from the philosophers, from the people who have experimented something specially for the universe, specially for the world, specially for people like us. I have gathered some of the quotes and few read like this, because why we need to believe? Because belief is magic. Belief is magic. You create your own universe as you go along. Winston Churchill. Whether you think you can or you cannot, either way you are right. Henry Ford. All that we are is the result of what we have thought. Buddha. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. Albert Einstein. Man must cease attributing his problems to his environment and learn again to exercise his will, his personal responsibility. Albert Schweitzer. The greatest discovery of my generation is the human being can alter their lives by altering their altitude of minds. William James. It is done unto you as you believe. Jesus. Your circumstances may be uncognial, but they shall not remain so if you only perceive an ideal and strive to reach it. You cannot travel within and stand still without. James Allen. Whatever your mind can conceive, can believe, it can achieve. Napoleon Hill. Let's a person radically alter his thoughts, and he will be astonished at the rapid transformation it will effect in the material condition of his life. James Allen. Follow your bliss, and doors will open for you that you never knew existed. Joseph Campbell. I will see it when I believe it. Wayne Dyer. I am no longer cursed by poverty because I took possession of my own mind, and that mind has yielded me every material thing I want and much more than I need. But this power of mind is a universal one, available to humblest person as it is so to the greatest. Andrew Carnegie. Take the first step in faith. You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Martin Luther King Jr. Whatever we think about and thank about, we bring about. John D. Martini. What you resist persists. Carl Jung. All power is from within and therefore under our control. Robert Collier. Follow your bliss, and the universe will open doors for you where there were only walls. Joseph Campbell. All matter originates and exists only by the virtue of a force. We must assume behind this force the existence of a conscious and intelligent mind. This mind is the matrix of all matter. Max Planck. Be the change you wish to see in the world. Gandhi. Every person above said the same thing. Every person above changed the world. They know what they are saying. Believe them, trust yourself. Now, what I want you to do is that don't believe me, don't believe in them. Now, ask yourself, why do you think that you feel that way, that you cannot do or you cannot follow whatever these successful people said? Go back and ask yourself, at the first time when you heard about these reality, what exactly came in your mind? Go back and ask yourself that how long it will take you time to believe in these people who have said so far that you can create your thoughts, your neural network, then those neural network will contribute to create your own future. Ask yourself how long it will take. And if you have started believing in them, this is time to act. Go back and craft the blueprint of your future now. I literally mean it. And if you cannot do that, go back and listen to the entire episode again and again, because I have given you the complete scientific proof so far. I have covered from last lesson till here, the lesson number 11, 12, 13. In last chapter, last episode, it was 14. And tomorrow I'll be producing the lesson 15. But before that, I literally mean that. Do this exercise, come back and put in the comment, hit the like button. I would review your comments and subscribe to this channel so that subsequent episodes you won't be able to miss. For that, hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for listening me, trusting me, and helping me to help you out. And in case something you think that it was too heavy to digest, go back and repeat them again. These are really simple, because if you are saying so, it means you are not following the initial part of setting up on the intention. Okay. And if you have done so far, everything is smooth and clear cut for you. Once again, requesting you to subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you soon. Till then, take care, goodbye, and God bless you. Thank you.